In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google AI Studio to Zapier Gemini automation step by step. We'll start by preparing a secure API key in Google AI Studio, then jump into Zapier to wire everything together so Gemini can power your automations. By the end, you'll have a clean path from a trigger in Zapier to an action that uses Google's Gemini models. Begin by opening Google AI Studio in your browser and signing in with your Google account. On the dashboard, look for the key icon in the sidebar or header. That key icon takes you to the API Keys area, which is where you generate secure credentials for apps like Zapier. Click the key to create a new one. If you're prompted to confirm a project or terms, go ahead and do that. When the new key appears, copy it and keep it somewhere safe for a moment. Treat this like a password. Don't share it publicly and store it securely. If you ever suspect it's exposed, you can come back here to regenerate or revoke it. Next, switch over to Zapier. From the home screen, click Create, then choose Zaps to start building a new workflow. A zap is simply a trigger followed by one or more actions. In the editor, click the trigger box to choose how your workflow should start. You can use anything supported by Zapier, an incoming form submission, a new row in a spreadsheet, a received email, you name it. Once you've set your trigger, click Browse All to open the full list of apps. Search for and select Google AI Studio, Gemini. On the integration page, choose the option to connect Google AI Studio, Gemini, to thousands of other apps. Zapier will prompt you to add your Google AI Studio account. When it does, use the API key you just created to authorize the connection. This securely links Zapier to Gemini so actions can run on your behalf. After the account is connected, configure the Gemini action. Pick the model or operation you want. Map in fields from your trigger and add any instructions or prompts needed for your use case. Then choose the other app you want to pair with Gemini, such as where outputs will be stored or sent. Take a moment to review required fields and data formats. Clear, structured inputs produce the best results. When everything looks good, save your Zap and turn it on. From here, every time your trigger fires, Zapier will call Gemini through Google AI Studio and pass the result to your selected app. That's it. Your Google AI Studio to Zapier connection is live and ready to automate.